Hey everybody, this is a QR25 engine out of a Nissan Altima. The vehicle came in, got recorded in because it locked up on him out on the road. He had said that it had been overheating over time and gotten worse and worse, and then finally just locked up. So we got it in here. I tried to get it turned over, could not. So I put a salvage yard engine in his car, got him back on the road, and then I decided to pull this one apart to see what's going on with it. Now if you look down in the cooling passages, you can see the corrosion down in there. Basically the engine probably lost its capability to cool because of all the corrosion down in there. A couple of different things can cause this: lack of maintenance, the wrong materials, the wrong mixture. You want to make sure that you follow the manufacturer's suggested antifreeze so that you don't get corrosion buildup from the wrong reactions of the metal that they're using. You also want to use distilled water. You're not supposed to use tap water in your cooling system because the regular tap water leaves deposits of minerals which causes buildup and corrosion. So make sure you use distilled water. Also the mixture, you want to make sure the mixture is right. If you're putting 2 gallons of water and 1 gallon of antifreeze, especially if you put tap water in it, then it's not the right mixture. You need to make sure you do that 50-50 mixture or whatever the manufacturer suggests on your car. Make sure that the service person that's doing the maintenance on your car is using the right materials. Make sure that they're putting the right antifreeze and the right water in it, and make sure that you follow the recommended mileage on there. So if the manufacturer says do it in 50,000 miles, then you need to do it to try to prevent these issues. Now if you catch them soon enough, then you could possibly flush the cooling system and be okay, but if it gets this far, you're most likely going to overheat and lock up the engine and have to replace it. So just make sure that the right materials are being used and that you can trust the guy that is doing the maintenance to your vehicle. Anyway, I hope you liked the video today. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.